DHAI stock analysis price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this quick and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. By the way, I'll still tell you, like I'm telling you, I'm still using my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos in 5 years. But with a 26% up, I just recently got stopped out at a -1 hour trade, which is totally fair. It's part of the game. Still doesn't make it a bullish thing though. You know what I mean? Like, if there is double down breaks, I'm still would rather look to take it lower, because for me, just grabbed a lot of liquidity and it still just mitigated the supply zone. I mean, you know, for me to be bullish, the price must break above 39. Let's put it 40 cents, right? But yeah, it's also a 4-hour chart, so it's a bit of a higher time frame. And even if it just breaks this 40-cent level, it's not like I'm gonna randomly start buying. I would still much rather for more nuances, you know, more higher time frame or lower time frame double breaks and whatnot. But I'll continue to keep you out there for sure. Like, I mean, any type of rush. If you want to stay tuned and want to get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated.